So we're at the Hard Water Show here in Blaine, and I did a video for our friends at Endless Valley Outdoors last week talking about one of their shelters here. But this is something I saw on the website that was really, really quite cool. This is a freestanding, this is their little portable fire pit right here. Just a little foldable device. It has a stainless steel screen and a stainless steel base. And you can literally set your wood on here, light this up, and have a campfire pretty much anywhere you want to have it. Because of the way heat rises and such, you can have your wood here doing its thing, and you're not going to damage the yard and such below that, as long as you're, of course, not having it there for days and days and days, and then the sun will cause the issue. But just a neat idea for those who want to have that quick little campfire, and once you're done, you can wipe it all off, wash it off, and you are ready to go for the next time. We'll put a link in the description below so you can check it out, but if you go out to the website at endlessvalleyoutdoors.com and check that out, we'll put that link in the description below.